Hello, I am Adriano Longhi, acupuncturist at the Complementary Therapies Studio in Lugano. In this video, we will explore knee health by integrating biomechanics and Chinese medicine. Knee osteoarthritis or gonarthrosis is a degenerative disease that affects the very foundations of our movement. Everything begins with the consumption of cartilage, that cushion that allows the bones to glide without friction. Over time, this layer disappears. Without protection, the bones rub against each other, causing sharp pain and inflammation that makes the joint stiff. To survive the pain, the body spontaneously adopts an antalgic posture, a position that reduces the load on the affected knee. The knee often remains semi-flexed and the weight shifts onto the healthy leg, creating a constant limp. Asymmetric wear can deviate the axis of the leg into varus or valgus, further worsening the joint load. The pelvis begins to tilt, creating deep muscle tensions that rise along the spine. The lumbar area increases its natural curve to balance the pelvis, often leading to chronic lower back pain. The opposite hip and feet suffer from overload, causing trochanteric inflammation and plantar fasciitis. Everything is connected. The quadriceps weakens and loses the ability to properly stabilize the knee. Subsequently, the flexor muscles, the hamstrings, shorten and become stiff, contributing to the difficulty in extending the leg. But the acupuncturist looks beyond. Let's enter the energetic vision of Chinese medicine to understand the deep origin of these blocks. Arthrosis is defined as a bisyndrome, meaning an obstruction of the energy channels caused by climatic factors such as wind, cold, and humidity. For us, the liver organ governs the flexibility of the tendons, while the spleen is responsible for the strength of the muscles. An imbalance of these organs weakens the joint. The energy channels, the meridians of the stomach and spleen, pass in front of the knee and are vital for properly nourishing all tissues. Subsequently, the meridians of the bladder and kidney support the density and strength of your bones. The energy of the kidneys is the root of skeletal health. When vital energy, qi, and blood stagnate due to cold or humidity, chronic pain arises. Moxibustion is essential. We apply heat to dissolve the obstruction of the meridians and deeply nourish the joint. Points like stomach 36, called Zusanli, and bladder 40, the Weizhong, are gates that we open to allow energy to flow again in the knee. Nourishing organic fluids, defined as Jin-Yi through hydration and diet, is the secret to maintaining elastic cartilage. Gentle movement, like the practice of Qigong, allows energy to circulate without damaging the physical structure, a precious balance. Together, we can rebalance your posture and your vital flow. We do not treat a symptom, but your entire vitality. If you like this video, follow me on my website www.egopunturalonghitisino.ch and contact me at the number +4179 173 2185